God, I'm gonna feed Bell carrots for the first time.
My little cousin Ernestine here is gonna play too. Okay, so what should we do? We could play Ernestine, well, what's the matter? Why are you crying?
Just do a little bit at a time. And let her hold it for a minute.
Well, maybe you can help me. Maybe if we play Ernie Says, it'll make her stop crying. Just do what Ernie says. Yeah. Ernie says, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands.
Not so much the carrots.
We're clapping our hands. Are you clapping? Clap your hands. Well, what else can we try? What can we do that's different?
Say yummy.
Oh, how about this? Ernie says, put your hands up like this and wiggle your fingers. Come on, Ernestine, look.
Not too bad.
Daddy just tried it too. Now let her swallow a lot of that.
What else can we try? Something different. I know. Ernie says, play peekaboo with Ernestine. Ready? You know how to play peekaboo, right? Here we go. Peekaboo. Just like this. Peekaboo. Here we go. Peekaboo. 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 Are you playing? Peekaboo.
Make sure she has all that swallowed too.
I don't know what else to do. We've tried lots of different things, but Ernestine keeps doing the same thing. Oh, Ernestine, it's okay. It's okay. Ernie says, tell Ernestine it's okay. It's okay, Ernestine.
For the record, that was not Belle.
Ernestine just needed a burp. Oh, I'm glad you're feeling better.
She don't necessarily have to eat the whole thing either.
I know.
Ernie says, see you later.
Hello. You know what? Today, Elmo's going to talk about Uncle. Right now, Elmo has a book right over here. See? And the book is open. See?
God,
So
I love that
open
face.
means
Oh.
now the book is closed. But what Elmo knows, instead, Elmo will talk about clothes.
I'm gonna stop recording here soon.
Okay.